What is a CDN, and why should you use it? A content delivery network, CDN, is a network of servers distributed across the globe that delivers web content to users based on their location. That helps you to improves website speed, reduces server load, enhances user experience. Why use a CDN? Faster load times for visitors worldwide, increased security against DDoS attacks, better website reliability and uptime, reduced bandwidth costs.
Hey wait, do I still need a CDN for non-heavy content website?
Oh, definitely yes. Even for small or non-heavy websites, a CDN ensures fast loading speed for blogs or portfolios, improved SEO rankings, enhanced user satisfaction globally, future scalability as your site grows.
Will this incur any cost?
There are both free and paid CDN options available, and you can choose one based on your requirements. Some of the most popular free CDNs include Cloudflare, Google Cloud CDN, AWS CloudFront, and JS Deliver.
But how do I use a CDN for my website?
Don't worry, we're here to help. Just email us at info@atlimited.net, and one of our experts will contact you to install a CDN for your website. You can learn more about our web services by visiting our website at etlimited.net.